Can a gaming phone really replace your gaming PC? Hey everyone, welcome back to Clash of Compare. Today, we're putting that question to the test with the ASUS ROG Phone 8, the best gaming phone of 2024. If you're ready to see what this beast can do, stick around. And if you're already sold, check out the link in the description to order yours. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk design. The ROG Phone 8 looks and feels like it's from the future. With RGB lighting and a sleek, futuristic design, it's definitely got that gamer vibe. But it's not just about looks. This phone is built tough with an aluminum frame and Gorilla Glass, so it can handle all the action you throw at it. The 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a 165Hz refresh rate is the real showstopper here. It's vibrant, smooth, and makes every game look absolutely stunning, whether you're in a high-speed race or exploring a detailed RPG world. Now, onto performance, where the ROG Phone 8 truly shines. This phone is packing the latest Snapdragon chipset with up to 16GB of RAM. Yes, more RAM than some laptops. It's designed to run the most demanding games flawlessly, and with advanced cooling technology, it stays cool even during those marathon sessions. You won't be dealing with any lag or overheating issues here, just pure, uninterrupted gaming. What makes the ROG Phone 8 a true gamer's dream are the features designed specifically for gaming. Air trigger controls give you precise, console-like control, while customizable gaming modes let you optimize performance for any game. The haptic feedback is next level, making every in-game explosion and action feel incredibly immersive. And with a massive battery, you're set for hours of uninterrupted play. Plus, the accessory lineup, from attachable controllers to external cooling fans, really pushes this phone over the top. So, back to the big question. Can this phone replace your gaming PC? It's getting close. With cloud gaming, streaming, and console-quality games, the ROG Phone 8 is definitely blurring the lines. For mobile gaming, it's unmatched. But if you're playing the latest AAA titles with ultra-high graphics, a gaming PC still has the edge. That said, the fact that we're even asking this shows how far mobile gaming has come, and the ROG Phone 8 is leading the charge. In conclusion, the ASUS ROG Phone 8 isn't just a phone, it's a mobile gaming powerhouse. With its killer design, top-tier performance, and gamer-focused features, it's the best gaming phone of 2024. It might not fully replace your gaming PC yet, but it's closer than ever. If you're serious about gaming on the go, this is the device to get. Check out the link in the description to order yours. Thanks for hanging out with me on Clash of Compare. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tech reviews. And let me know, could you see yourself swapping your gaming PC for a phone like this? See you in the next video.